Did you know that you can explore Japan, one of the most fascinating countries in the world, without spending a fortune? Many people think Japan is too expensive, but that's not the case. In this guide, I'll show you how to visit Japan on a budget, covering the best times to go, the top places to see, and simple tips to save money. Ready to discover how you can make your dream trip happen? Let's get started. Want to know how to save hundreds on your trip to Japan? It's all about timing. So when's the best time to visit without breaking the bank? Planning your trip during the right time can save you a lot of money. The best months for budget travel to Japan are November and early spring, like March. These are off-peak seasons, meaning fewer tourists and cheaper flights and accommodations. For example, flights that might cost $1,200 during cherry blossom season could drop to around $600 during these times. Summer can also be an option if you can handle the heat, but avoid the Obon holiday in August when prices skyrocket. Not only do these times help you save, but they also offer a more relaxed experience without the massive tourist crowds. Now that you've got the timing right, let's explore some amazing places in Japan that you can enjoy without spending too much. You'll be amazed at what you can see and do for free or on the cheap. Think Japan's top spots are out of reach on a budget? Think again. Which famous places can you visit without blowing your budget? Japan is packed with must-see locations that won't cost a fortune. Here are some incredible spots you can visit on a budget. Tokyo. Did you know Tokyo is home to the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world, Shibuya Crossing? It's free to experience the iconic scramble and soak in the neon lights. Explore vibrant neighborhoods like Harajuku and Asakusa, where you can visit the historic Sensoji Temple at no cost. For cheap eats, head to the Tsukiji Outer Market, where delicious street food costs as little as $5 to $10. Kyoto. Kyoto is famous for its temples, and you don't have to spend much to see them. Check out the Fushimi Inari Shrine, known for its thousands of red torii gates. It's free and one of the most photographed places in Japan. Walk through the serene Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, also free and a beautiful escape into nature. Osaka. Osaka is Japan's kitchen, and it's known for amazing street food that won't empty your wallet. Stroll along Dotonbori, where you can try local favorites like takoyaki, octopus balls, for just $3 to $5. The lively atmosphere is free, and the giant neon signs are an experience in themselves. Nara. A short train ride from Kyoto or Osaka, Nara offers a unique experience with its friendly deer that roam freely in Nara Park. You can buy deer crackers for about $2 and enjoy feeding them. Visiting the Todaiji Temple, home to one of the largest bronze Buddha statues in the world, costs around $6 but is well worth it. Hiroshima. Visit the Peace Memorial Park and Museum for just $2. It's a poignant and educational experience that highlights the city's history and resilience, making it a meaningful stop on your trip. These places are stunning and won't break the bank. But to get the most out of your trip, you'll need some smart budget tips. Let's dive into the best ways to save money while exploring Japan. Wondering how you can stretch your dollars further while enjoying Japan to the fullest? Here are some top tips to help you stretch your budget. Use public transportation smartly. Japan's public transport is world-class and efficient. If you're planning to travel between cities, the JR Pass is a great deal. For about $250, you can use it for a week of unlimited travel on bullet trains, which would otherwise be much more expensive. In cities, use IC cards like Suica or Passmo to easily tap in and out of trains and buses, saving you time and money. Eat like a local. Convenience stores in Japan like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, and Lawson are a budget traveler's best friend. You can grab fresh meals, sushi, and snacks for $3 to $7. Don't underestimate the quality. Many locals eat here too. For a bigger meal, head to food courts or small ramen shops where you can get a hearty bowl for under $10. Stay in budget accommodations. Instead of pricey hotels, look into hostels, capsule hotels or budget Airbnbs. Prices can start as low as $20 per night, and these places often provide a unique experience. For the adventurous, couch surfing is a great way to stay for free while meeting locals who can give you insider tips. Explore free and discounted attractions. Japan has so many free attractions, from serene parks and beautiful gardens to historic temples and bustling markets. Always look out for city passes that offer discounts on multiple attractions, and keep an eye on local events and festivals, which are often free to attend. Shop smart for souvenirs. Want to bring home some cool Japanese souvenirs without spending much? Check out 100 yen shops like Daiso, where everything is about $1. These stores offer a wide range of items from home goods to cute stationery, making it easy to find great gifts on a budget. With these tips in your back pocket, you're all set to have an incredible, affordable adventure in Japan. But before you start packing, here's a quick recap to make sure you're fully prepared for your budget-friendly trip. Exploring Japan on a budget is not only possible, it's an amazing way to see the country's rich culture, try delicious food, and visit iconic sites without spending a lot. By choosing the right time, visiting must-see places that are affordable, and using these money-saving tips, you can make your Japanese dream trip a reality. Ready to go? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop your questions or tips in the comments below. Your adventure in Japan is just a budget plan away. Happy travels!